Oh kids, hey, it's me Mickey, again. On Salamat Malam, Salamat the tongue. And friends, I've been on the Ancut all week this week. I just don't want to get off the Ancut, to be honest. Oh, you know, as one of my commenters said, get on the Ancut. Oh, and friends, if you haven't pre-saved Nona's new album, Island Girl, then why haven't you done that yet? Go and do that right now. But friends, come with me. Let's go and honk again, shall we? So let's go. Get on the Uncut. Oh, here comes the Uncut. What? Like, I feel like they've just been traveling around Indonesia all week on the bus. Oh. Come on, bus driver, reversing. Oh. Oh. Are they the actual transport that do these sounds in the back there? I'm pretty sure they are, right? Oh, look at me. Look at her. In the mirror. Yeah. Oh. Go Nona. Go Nona. Go Nona. Go Nona. Get on the Uncut. I love the guy just like hanging out the side of his bus. That's what they're all doing. Everybody's just like hanging around, just like pretending that Nona isn't even dancing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, there are people dancing over there. Go brown and brown. The trunk. Now get bounce. Hey. Oh. N-O-N-A. On your license plate. That's what I've been saying all week. All week I've just been saying to myself, N-O-N-A on your license plate. Whoa. The guys in the background on the motorbikes. My own. Oh. Down the Uncut. Yeah. What? I didn't even notice like Christy's like purple hair. What? Like every time Christy does that, I instantly think of the other music video where she did it at the start. Work. You put it in work. It's giving Island Girl. No, 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 no. I love how like more and more people are like dancing in the background. Yeah. Yeah. Go Christy. Go Christy. What? No, 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 no. Oh, friends, like between now and the 18th of September, I just know that Nona is going to be doing like so many things. And you know what? You best believe I'm going to be watching Nona on my channel, okay? So you better subscribe for all the fun. Anyway, friends, I'm sure we're all going to get on the Uncut this weekend, and I'm not getting off. So comment below, tell me how much you love Nona. But have a great weekend, friends. And as I always say, make sure you keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next Nona video. Won't be too far away. And get on the Uncut. Bye.